Hi, BHI parents. I am going to take a couple of minutes of your time to show you how you can check your child's grades in Skyward. I have this lowered, sorry, just to protect the privacy of the account that I'm going to be using, but you'll get the gist and all the important information. So the first thing that you would need to do is to go to beverlyhills.pasadenaisd.org to access our school's webpage, which you can see here. Once you're on the page, there's lots of useful information on this main page, some quick links to the Barrden, to the Pasadena ISD portal. This is a video about getting started. This is particularly helpful for new students to get everything started as far as tech goes, linked to Facebook page, and so on. So if you scroll down to the bottom of that page, you will see some icons here. You can click on the Skyward Family Access, and that takes you to our district's webpage that has everything you need to know about Skyward Family Access. There's a support page, the login page, how to set up your account. Once you do that, you will receive an email that is good for 24 hours to continue that process. Shows you what the dashboard looks like, and then talks about the Skyward mobile app if that is something that you're interested in. If you have already set up your account, then you would just need to click here on Skyward Family Access login page. Once there, if you have forgotten your username and password, you can click here on Forgot Username and Password and go through the process to retrieve or reset that information. If you do know your username and password or want to reset that, just put in that information, sign in. And once you're here, you have a variety of tiles to choose from. Again, I apologize that some of this is cut off on the top, but I am trying to protect the privacy of the account that I am looking at. So the grading tile is what you would click on to see your child's grades. There are various tabs here on the top, so just make sure you are clicked onto the grades tab. And then you will see some hyperlinked grades. PR1 stands for Progress Report 1. SWK1 is 6 weeks 1, Progress Report 2, 6 weeks 2, and so on. So if you see a grade here, and if you click on the actual number itself, it will show you a more detailed description over here on the right-hand side. It'll tell you the description of the assignment, the due date of that assignment, the possible grade, and then the grade that your child received on that assignment. So let me click on another one here, another detailed description over on the right-hand side. So you can see the assignment, the due date, the grade possible, and the grade that your child received. If there was something that was already due and it shows a 0 or a blank, that is something that your child needs to communicate with their teacher about, because it's something that still needs to be completed or turned in. So that is checking grades in a nutshell. Please do not hesitate to reach out to us if you have questions or if you need additional assistance. We are here for you.